All right, back out on the 1999 Carolina Skiff, and guys, this deck seemed to be glued down. The other day I started taking some stuff off. Some of the screws are stripped. Some of the screws, the nuts would just not come off of them. So we've got a handy dandy sawzall. We're gonna cut them off today, and we're gonna see if we can cut this deck out. So hang with me and we'll get this party started. Alright guys, maybe you can see what I'm talking about right there. Just some glue up in there. It's not if you look up in here, let's see if we can get this turned. If you look up in there, you can see it's not glued all the way down. So we're just going to try to cut that off. So stick with me. We can't pull that out yet. Alright guys, now we gotta see what about this thing, if we can get off. What in Sam Hill is on that thing? I'm thinking that's got to be epoxy. don't know if you can see that wood. Hopefully you can see that. It's wet. Wood is it's rotting all the way through. It was fiberglass. Somebody fiberglassed the bottom of it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's fiberglassed on the bottom. Let's talk about that. I don't know if you guys can see this real good. I'm gonna try to clean that up. See that, guys? It's fiberglass with one sheet on the bottom. At least maybe 2 coats. But the problem is water got in there somehow. Most likely when they drilled all these holes and left those holes exposed, it just saturated that wood. So we're gonna pull this out. Probably take this hook off, and we're gonna go put that on our burn pile over there. Let the boss burn it later. But yeah, this thing, I mean, that's 3/4 inch plywood, and you just tell how soft it was. So I knew something in there was causing that, and you know, it wasn't braced good anyway. So let me go throw this on the scrap pile, and I'm gonna need to seal up those holes up there, but we're gonna get this thing off today. All right, guys, just having to work this top right up around. Had to be careful with the front because I got a little softness in the front. But let me show you how we're doing this, and we'll soon have it whipped. Not easy, somebody do it. Just work it like. You got to stick out here. I get out here, it's a lot easier. You got to see it. I can get out here. You stay right off and do that. Come on, I can't like that. There, get me. There, baby. Come on. Alright, guys, that's gonna make getting the hole, building this thing out lot easier. And the nice thing is we'll be able to get back here and patch everything. So we're gonna turn this around. The only thing I got left really is to get that motor off, and I gotta undo the wiring and do all of that, and then I gotta figure out how heavy that motor is. I might need to get my son out here, but stay tuned. My 16-year-old, who is strong as an ox, I don't give him enough credit all the time. That's just because he's not quite as strong as his dad yet. But as you guys can see right here, bottom of the boat. Anyway, if you look at the girders, everything in this hole is in pretty good shape. You got some spots like that right there, and that's just normal wear and tear in any boat. And you got but no cracks in the hull. I've gone over it, no cracks. There's definitely some skins, and it looks like could have been maybe a live well or something right here at one time, and they have gone over it, but no skins. We're going to patch all of this. You can see on that side just a lot of the same stuff there, guys. We're just going to fill all of that in, and nothing there that looks like we can't do it. And we're going to take this seal off, but we got her flipped upside down. If you can see there, up on the hill, the console, there it sets. All right, guys, we are getting ready to put the paint stripper on. Citrus strip, paint and stripping gel. What we're going to do is we're going to put it on top first, Then we're going to come down the sides. Now I have plastic, just plastic, painter's plastic. As you can see right here, I've cut some to go over the top. We're going to put it on, put the plastic over it, and keep it wet. That helps keep it wet. And then probably tomorrow afternoon, we're going to come out here and see if we got any paint off of it, and try to get this ugly green and this nasty camo so we can start patching some holes. So stay with me and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Just a cheap Lowe's brush right here to do it with. I got citrus strip on. I've left it on for about 48 hours. We got a little blade. It comes off better with the blade. I've got some plastic, and they say on the fiberglass you really should use the plastic, but what we're going to do is we're going to use the blade to get the top part off, and then we'll come back with the plastic and scrape down. Let me show you how easy it's coming off. You just got to be careful not to cut the fiberglass if you are using a blade like I am. But you can see right there, it's just keep working it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides, get most of this citrus strip off. We'll do the top and go around the boat. We're gonna finish the outside first, and then on the next video I'll show you how I patch some of the holes and patch some of the stuff. Get the outside done, we'll flip it over, do the inside, and get it prepped for paint. If you like this video, do me a favor. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. This 1999 Carolina Skiff J14 series, and we're going to get it ready to paint and to use. Till the next adventure, we'll see you.